sent one of my boys to send some cash for you yesterday. I don't think whether you have received that.
No, I haven't received anything.
Oh, let me call him and see what is going on there.
How much did you give to him to send it to me?
I sent 5,000.
I haven't received, then you should call me.
The number is busy. I will call him later.
Okay, I believe so. I don't think it's working.
I'll check with you first.
Twitter.
Yeah.
Hope you're doing good.
Ah!
Black.
Alpha!
What?
What happened? What's happened?
What's happening?
What happened, my brother? What is it?
Black. It's a long story. We'll talk about it, bro. We'll talk about that. But first of all, let's just get ourselves refreshed first. We'll talk about it, don't worry.
You don't even called me.
I'm coming from a very long and stressful journey.
What exactly happened? What happened?
Black. There was a scatter in our area. A serious one. So I was involved in it and I was caught up in prison. For me to come out was even a very difficult task for me. But then...
But you have to call me now. You have to call me. You have to call me.
Brother.
Oh!
There was no cell phone to even call you with. Even to locate this place. The address you even gave me, I was even confused. Why?
So who
There was one woman selling these vegetables and stuff outside there. She directed me here. And I see you've really raised something nice here though. Brother, it's not easy. Who is this beautiful lady here? I see you enjoying yourself.
Yeah, I'm Haja.
Haja. Wow, you're such a beautiful lady.
Thank you.
Black, are you okay?
Yeah, but I'm just that I'm surprised. Cause I'm not expecting this.
Baby, are you okay?
Yeah,
Relax.
What? Oh God, what exactly happened? Oh.
We'll talk more about it, my brother. We'll talk more about it.
Do you fight with anybody or something? I don't.
Oh, come on, you know me already.
You are okay, Abi.
You know your younger brother, I don't fight. I'm more into business. You already know we communicate. Have you forgotten?
Okay. I understand. Okay. We talk about it.
Sure.
I understand. You are welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Alright, sure. So can you get me some glass of water?
Oh, sorry.
Glass of.
Alright, sure.
Okay. Keep a glass of water.
Are you okay?
Yeah. You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Oh, gas Sabinus.
Hey, you are welcome, my brother.
It's not easy. I wish you were there with me.
I wish I'm there with you.
Here.
Where?
In the US, of course.
Okay.
Wait, Black. Yeah. Why didn't you tell me you're going out today?
It's unfortunate that I want to go and meet one of my one of my books.
I really want to have a word with you.
Let me go and come back,
This is very important. Kindly sit down, let's have a word, please.
Baby, let me first.
Please, behind you.
Okay, no problem, baby. Sweetheart. I hope everything is well.
Everything is fine, but I wouldn't say 100%. This is it.
Have to be fast because I want to get something over there, So what is the problem? What is it?
Okay, so I'll wrap everything up. So
Hey, wrap it up. I want to meet someone here. That's all.
relax. So you remember the money I used to be sending you when I was in town?
You said?
The money I used to be sending when I wasn't in town now. I would need some money to do some business here. You know, I came here very empty and you saw how I was stranded and I didn't want to talk about it because you're...
The money you have been sending to who? I don't understand.
I beg, make you look pretend.
No. Who are you? I don't understand. The money that you are sending to who? Who have you sent money to?
You know, I really respect you a lot, right?
Of course.
Because you're my senior brother. But this is purely critical. This is very serious.
Oh, be very serious. You are sending money to who? Who have you sent money to?
So are you trying to tell me I wasn't sending money to you when I was outside?
When?
God.
Which day? Which time?
You know you are raising my temper. I used to be the money I've been sending you, all the pounds I've been sending you to raise this foundation and then to meet the people bringing the containers and stuff. You're telling me I didn't send you money. How can you tell me this story? I need money to raise business. I came here very stranded. You even saw me, asked me a series of questions. And you are here telling me I didn't send you money. Please, let's not raise our voices. I know I'm a very quiet person.
I don't need that kind of shouting. Are you shouting on me? Wait, are you shouting on me? Do you send any money?
Do you send any money to my account? Have you sent any money? What kind of nonsense is this?
Black.
What do you mean by that?
Black.
Are you embarrassing me?
Black. Don't raise your voice at me. And I know that you and I know that I've been sending you money. And I already have the transactions. I can show you all the transactions. You are so lucky I don't even have my phone here.
Okay, let me see the transaction. I have to see everything.
So you are denying this?
No, let me see everything. Let me see. I have to see.
So you know I didn't come with any phone. You know I didn't come with any laptop.
I don't know anything. You said you have an evidence and some. So you have to see everything. I don't know. Or you are getting out of your mind there.
Black. I never knew my brother can do this to me.
Oh, see, let me tell you, I can't condole.
So you are
I won't condole any superstitious sentimentalities from any idiot or something like that. You know, I don't have to.
Black, are you working out on me? Black, Salinus.
This should be the first and last time you call me for this rubbish. Which kind of nonsense is this?
Why?
Is he not my junior brother?
Like, why? What?
Talking rubbish, nonsense.
No, relax. You don't have to shout.
Oh God. My own brother lying in front of me that I didn't send him money. This must be a dream. Nah, honestly, it's a dream. It should be a dream, surely.
What's happening? What's going on?
I'm here doing my business, making my money.
Okay.
Now he's vomiting rubbish and nonsense.
That what? Relax, you don't have to. It's like we are going now, you don't have to.
You know that I'm doing my business?
Yes, I know.
Doing everything. Oh.
What is it? Tell me.
I'm a man of myself. My brother, you're not supposed to be doing this kind of rubbish. Telling me a nonsense word.
That was.
What I say is that it's like this place that they have injection him. Telling me that he sent money for me and all those stuffs and all that. Look at all this nonsense.
He sent money.
Yes. You know the business I do?
Yes, I
You know
do.
everything about me.
Mm-hmm. It's okay. Don't worry. You don't have to talk again. I think we are late already, so let's go. Okay, let's go.
Hey, come on.
What's like, come on?
Hey, sis.
What's all bad time? Bepa went to me cry and friend me. At least call me.
So, I'm not FSC. Now, I'm buying Nami home.
Me call mommy, my bad.
Laughing some car, you answer.
Me call mommy home. Me call the best to read for mommy home. Bro, see. Now you are black.
Black. My name is Oudari. My team, my friends are on see what PSU.
Because I was wondering, I don't know that one pound for us to know fee. Hey, Charlie. Hey, small road.
Nah, then what's your come on?
Me call mommy. Come on.
I notice it.
Obi amwe.
Mommy.
Now that no just for part time.
By 1 week on my.
We can buy. Next time you call me 2 to 1 I buy.
Why am I buy? Tell you we can.
At least can friend me boy. Me. Or you guys should friend.
Phone cry me ni be my friend.
Only phone.
Mini phone.
Ah.
Mini laptop. Just say me need any gadgets. I don't have anything on. Ben I mean you about them friend. No my home for back there.
Hey.
Ben I mean friend.
Don't kind me jai. Kind me can call that I was me be. But me I was sharp with you for so many years. 10% how maybe say from 30 and I have a cat in me.
Black na catch us me say 10% scratch.
Oh my. Oh what oh my capital. Oh my she.
One the cast as them cho.
The baby was black. It's the post ko. It wants me Emma 10%.
Black
na kai. Na so na nkasa so mi
na me ko me din fi say. Ah me meti hey, wo hwe de wi ameti me wo ha sei kra no hwe de wi na me pa adwuma wo.
So wo ha sei no, wo ma komo ne me. Sa me wo ha sei metimi sheda be kasa me wo kire me. Me hu so nya ska ma sheda be mu mo ni ta me wo kire me ma beche. Ba ko wa sesa. O te se no so yes.
Black. Ubeje di se me wo na ska na me de ben na ne be si black so.
No send this car. Ah, bro. No. Tell me you lying. What's send this car? Embassy black no. Ah, black away. Black. Oh wait.
That make us me be a fan, but only. Incommode we wo hono. Black. Scam is cinema black na me say me bagana. Me baba to me japade property say I dream wo me team na ye plans am dem abusia no. Just say companies are me set me scam me send black na black and find hwe ama.
Pussy. Pussy why mistake? Oh mama ti ase, oh papa ti ase. Unya party ase. What you say? Can even posting this scam black no. Me asu nya we. Ma yesu nya we. Ba woni mu nya we su ban. Enkoye oni wi ase oba enkoye. What's a gun no can do saying? How cost send this guy man?
Yes, send me dem say me abema penny there. Bema so fear. What I say? Mana me da say black be me say. Saturday kwa mo fa me ama.
Offend you. Won me kasa. Eti kenu te be sister. Ma peka ka be black. Eti me so ya mo hwe na mfa nso ne ma. Wo de me busa na miniska. Me busa na miniska. La bia wo niska. Me nim sai peka no botom no sia.
And yes, about me by Miniska. Bunny, I bomb me about.
Yeah,
I bomb me about.
Yeah, bo. Oh,
I bomb me about when you are Bema.
It's a daddy another.
There was stairs and us in the bank, it will be a show.
Me de Bema.
Sister, no, I
Hey, okay, but you want more brother, I'm getting a few.
Sister, now, maybe I'm cast a woke be a mammy. She.
Oh, but come on, Tempest. That black man needing.
Hey.
I would have done the man. The man,
and thank you to one old man.
The man, fan, that. Aquana now need the Agona and fan in your brain. Dear man, so say it.
Just said, Auntie will support you, and also
men support no. But why a mistake? Can you fancy what Jimmy? Did you to what Jimmy?
Mean Jimmy, won't you make us ask me, Jenny? My Jimmy say,
black.
My Jimmy say,
let's work confronting some for scam.
Oh, Nemina Casabi Brepa, Missy can the magic, scan the magic. Black in Yamsi Kamami. Hey, sister, just now can black in Yamsi Kamami.
What one when you did?
You called me.
Yeah.
So That's assembly.
Bro, so it's when you must have a woman.
Oh, you know I'm a business type.
I know you're a business type, come back, please. You're talking. Bro.
Okay, tell me, what is it?
Bro.
Yes.
There is some issue going on and we need to settle down things. You know we are 3 siblings. Our parents are not here. Bro, it should be costly. Proceedings simply at so many name. And to be honest, I don't even know what to say. Bro, according to Pussy, was it time outside and now send this can be a day, bro.
Me?
Yeah, at least 5 property be here. And man, send it our bar because I can't do your own what.
Excuse, wait. You say Pussy say wait it. And you say he say what?
He has given you money. He always send you money when he was there.
Which money?
Bro. So are you trying to tell me, say, Pussy never send you money?
My sister, you know me very well. And you know the business I do. I don't tolerate, I'm not a joking type. I don't know, because I'm even surprised you call me like that. You have never called me like this, so I'm surprised. Which money is that? Which money?
Pussy never sent you any money.
Look at me, look at all this. This guy, Yembo brawa how said that your car brochure. What do you mean? We are hustling, doing business. Yenye Juma how said that your car brochure. Since my ye Juma nya Japadia ye bibia be business. You are my senior sister, so I don't want any problem or any issue between me and you. This guy issue have to be aside. I don't want to hear this guy issue again. Because whenever I hear this guy issue, I'll be getting angry.
Bro, you know Pussy can never lie. Maybe he used to send you money.
Pussy have never ever sent any money, even 1 cedi. I never dropped or sent any money into my account. So let me tell you, okay, I don't want anything that will bring problem or any scratches or any crashes at all. Ask him to bring the evidence. Let him show you the evidence. That will make this issue solved amicably. Oh, it's nothing. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, I can see that. You are fine already. They call me Oga Barnabas as well, Black. You understand? Yeah. I like everything about you.
Thank you.
Please, what's that your name? Amma. Oh. People that call Amma, they are always, Beautiful.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I just come back from United States of America. Just not long ago.
Oh, okay.
And
What do you do?
Oh, I'm a marketer. I'm also a singer. You understand?
sing?
Yes,
So
I
you
can
can
freestyle
sing?
for you.
Okay, let me hear you.
Let me freestyle for you. Tell me what you want, make I do for you. No, they follow for vacas for my name.
Your job one in here. Shut up more, young Kushabi. Barnabas, I don't come. Come again.
Tell me what you want, make I do for you. No, they follow for vacas for my name. You know,
Is Patapa your brother?
Patapa.
Yeah, you know.
No. How can I work with that kind? You know, the street I believe in Africa for 278-story building. You know, I'm the caretaker of that. So, I'm a very.
Okay. You sing like Patapa, so I thought he's your brother.
No. It's not my brother. It's not even my relation.
Oh.
Understand? Oh, baby, I would like to get your contact so that we can discuss more.
More, that is.
We can discuss on certain things. You know, I'm a business guy. You know. And
If it's business, fine. But nothing more, nothing less.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Can put your number here, please. This is one of my small phones.
Okay.
My phones, the small.
Where is your car?
My car, I park it over there. Don't worry, I will call you. We talk on phone, yeah? Amma. Chineke me. Nka nga kuge nka ala akpọ sokoponyo. We tie gị repente. Sụọ gị akwụla ike. Nga asụ gị akwụla ike. Maka Chineke maka God. Nga eti gị eti no.
I swear you make you mad up. How are you?
I'm fine, but I'm not fine. And
Which one be say you are fine, you are not fine? If I ask you a question, just go straight to the forward. Go straight forward. You are fine, you are not fine. What is all this?
Okay, fine. But I didn't come here to have this kind of conversation with you. And I'm sure what happened the last time was it was just a dream, or I'm sure you were just joking. Because if it's really, really true, then I don't think you can do that to me.
But what is it?
Wait. I need my share. I need my money, sorry.
It's like this guy is going out of. What are you talking about?
I need my money. The money I...
Which money? Look at this guy.
Black. Sabinus.
Which money are you talking about?
Sabinus, you are playing my temper. You are really playing my temper, Sabinus. Sabinus, I don't want to do anything that will raise an alarm.
You are warning me or what?
I'm a very quiet person. You know me.
Wait. Are you are raising hand on me? Are you out of your senses? Are you mad?
You are raising your voice at
You
me.
are warning me. It's
Okay.
like we are getting crazy.
I'm sure you've been taking this kind of what the boys have been taking. You've been taking some.
Nah, this guy make you no joke.
You've been snuffing, eh? You dey take things, eh? You dey take things. I dey like,
Wait.
my brother, make me not do this thing plus me. I dey beg.
I understand.
So give me my money, maker.
So it's because of I know. I think maybe they have
give you some medicine over there. That's why you have been shouting and bragging like a dog.
Good.
Are you stupid?
They're insulting me.
What is going on?
Sabinus, you they insult me.
Look at this small boy of yesterday.
Sabinus, you had nothing. I was the one sending you money. Sabinus, this is not how you are.
Stop that rubbish.
Sabinus, this is not
I said stop that
You
rubbish.
they shout at me, my brother.
You are sending money to who?
Hey, God.
Have you ever sent money to me?
Sabinus.
Look at this guy. You are continue saying this.
Sabinus, you go do oba ya na mo ja hwegu. Me pese be ya dia e de ensusa so be bring me no. Sabinus. Make no do anything you go request someday. Later then you go raise alarm, Sabinus. I dey beg you. My brother, think twice. What if they do, he go help you. If he go help you, I do. If he no go help you too, make you no try. You dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
Sabinus. Sabinus.
Do whatever you know you can do. Go ahead and do it. The open say, oh yeah. Get out of here.
We shall see.
We shall see nothing.
We shall see.
And ever.
I been me than you did this.
And
we shall
ever repeat that word again. Or else you will see the bad side of me. Stupid. Oma wa upano e wo ho no mo ba ha ba ka jimi asem ahire. Wa jim.
North Road made this.
Yes.
Young child.
Absolutely.
Assuming a person can do so.
Oh, okay.
Same problem.
Oh, no, don't worry. What is it?
But Jenny said,
What is
but I
it?
know he said, only me a man, the Pia, I'm going to go.
Sometimes you're busy, sometimes you're out, you know.
Correct. Was if you are quite no piace than Cassa.
Me, no, sometimes share, nearly I am forcing, you know. Are you okay?
But Jenny said, I'm only the 2 coin figure scam sending ma. Miami, I bet my same confirmed judge a paddy. If I am team crime, name say Missika or setting by me, Chedi, say Missika and be an oyade. Or this if you Missika with your man, Nima can a book or say, the dear Sibia the young day, in Trasso, Nanka Missika on your day, family and mammy. At least send none with the grandmammy.
You are a big fool of what are you saying?
Babe,
Which money are you talking about?
Relax.
What?
I think.
I said, what are you vomiting?
I'm a big fool.
Oh.
You didn't even greet. You just entered. You are coming here with violence.
No.
Who are you? Who are you? Look at this.
No, wait. You don't. This lunatic boy.
You are calling me boy.
You are stupid.
Oh,
How can you say this in front of your own? There's a lady here and you are telling me this rubbish.
You are also.
You don't have any respect for man.
Wow.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
I know the problem. You know, since when he traveled and come back, he started doing abnormal.
Baby, what's going on? What's really going on with you and your brother?
What really happened?
Make sure you tell her the truth.
Which truth?
Black.
This guy is still accusing me stealing his money or something. I don't understand.
Mommy, no, listen, I don't get what's going on right now.
Are you getting out of your senses? Huh?
Baby, you don't have to shout.
You are shushing me.
What did they make us say?
Oh,
Me
wait,
Are you stupid?
stop yelling. Oh, me sorry, but like,
This guy
finish talking.
This guy is provoking me every time.
You don't have to
Sister
get mad.
Kwakasacho, what I sent you?
Excuse me.
Just said, why you say, why wakuma ding. Just a far request. And yes, I
Oko cancel no say do what wako bobra abrabo na enkoyi.
It's okay.
Enkoyi manu. My friend, get out.
You don't have to get mad, okay? I'll talk to him.
Get out. Now you, black.
Why are you guys doing this?
The best is not for white. So you're black. You're better.
Babe, come and sit here. No, babe, come and sit here.
I'll come by you now.
I'll come by whatever,
Waboda.
Babe, like, okay, if something really important is happening, you don't have to be yelling at him, you know. So, listen, I don't want to involve myself because they never see any. If what he's saying is true, or maybe might be true,
It never be true. And it can never be true.
then you should find a way and like talk to him.
Oh, this guy is behaving abnormal since he come back. So I don't understand.
You know your brother, so you can't tell me he's behaving abnormal.
Yes, I know his attitude before he left, but right now he come back. I don't even understand.
So you should ask him what's his problem. You don't have
Me,
to
I
be
know.
shouting. You know, so what?
The
what is
problem I want to explain to you, they give him injection for that place.
Baby, stop that.
No.
You can say he's really serious.
Because
he's not joking.
the guy is getting sick. I'm mad.
It's your own brother, it's your own blood. I'm not a family member.
You know how I do my business and get my money. So I don't know.
Yes, I know. So what is he talking about?
Say that he sent me money. They
Has
can
he?
wear in there for our brochure.
Okay.
Look at all this Jimmy Asemo.
Okay, so has he sent you money?
Never.
Never.
How can this
He
small boy
has
send me
never
money?
sent you money before.
Never, even one person.
So he's trying to accuse you.
Accusing!
But do light is how some cook bill cacraca, the ability to pass a metria. Minim say a fruit fridge is yana the difference to their minim.
Similar person coming no count, and crana, media baha.
I'm an urgent where you did.
Conquer and journey.
Even so did you. My fast and whom Miss Row. They say Anton so almost someone to man a short say. And perhaps so did you.
It's wapa, the echo super. It's a year. Minister Quanka Skype, send coming my Quanka.
Had I known that word is said by fools, had I known.
Okay, says, and you, yeah, me, now my dream is in behind, and I'm saying come the barber too, and him say, oh, by my sister Penny, dear, and I, in now soon him saying, young for Nasa away, so any back of 14. Tama, me quaman on him. Nanya black and quan I'm sending this car.
Why be you? Now, Sunday, Mamma Papa Biana. Nes, I say, Busiana say, Minim must subtract me simple. Hey, yeah, times and up to somebody he may remind us.
Mr. Nyabote, as same way there, you can't see a car. We will not finish right now. You ne, wow, we are away. Nani bibi, o de yen fa we no.
O de kasa hwan na asem niska.
Unse na me wo ba bi wa ha no, ansa na me ko. Na near our kwan so na near na ma we di two kwan, but na me pese me dey. Me ka chon because plans na me go ni na no. It was like a busia and my wife, very secretive and very big.
Not just unim say o kan ware sem chewa me gu no ho. Hunhum nka me gu no. Tinka won ka wodi sie. Okay, go. They go.
It's my mind saying come person come become who bananka. Scanner na me send man for our relationship ne project bi am saying come me according aside the na person me ma black here ma me no. Ti me saying come ko scan. Na come me dey be share adwuma for ase. Because just a bill see how can see Camina Michia or the wash. Obi a metu kwan see and go see ba can be coming to me pimpo. Oh, bill say how can you ness out chiao? No ness and catch your sister. Nti na mpesen kam do to anim say the American so no about woman nanka wama me more knowledge about it nanka me hu star cause a man so ne uko we me kwa kwa cheni say sky obebusa bisa say me buy kwa onim se maba onim se maba tika minim say idea na mafa no say about woman nanka me dey no mo mind dey etu anamon. Oh, na sister of me.
You can't be no amity you. Nazi.
Sister, nyamo but say maka che.
Ebi na wo sesen. What's me up na brochire? What send the black sika anso ho? Wo ga no hia teme. Na se no ma na ankoya, ana wo ko na se asem bi wo ha ho. Posi. Obeya no bia kasa asem sister mo obeyi fun so beto me ye.
Monsieur, nyabote.
When yasme so beto so ho kira mi o. When yasme so beto so ho kira me. What you say? What's a good decision? Just go. Hey, there's a bit of asama Jimmy problem tifia. Be muye bibia o machi, muye bibia o machi without my knowledge. Muye bibia o machi without my knowledge.
Sister, medical culture said, come in more.
Me say what had I known? It's said by fools. Jaika.
Monsieur, fool need the first fool no be fool, second fool no be fool.
Oh, what the triple fool?
Oh. Asembio no ma asemba.
Ko me first rice me ha o me nyina fa.
It is said the makan say
me ni hu mo, me ni adwene.
Monsieur adwene.
Me ni adwene bia.
Baby, I miss you so much. Bene.
Hey. Meto. Oban wan fa me.
Bene, sembe bro.
Hey. Asem.
Because me can me win. Asema to me pa. You see, tell my mo no say na me send on your ma me brother so me catch you say we see dan bia ma me nya. I no kwa do den down to nchen. Grandma prep.
Bene. Na do. Bacho, mami jane mba se awa e.
Na how do my bejina here?
Na, onna hemfa.
Debi obi amaba wo de sesen card metina fie. How do my bejina here? He be had my bejina de wa hwe here.
Me wo fa. Me wo fa ne wo. Wo fa so na asem odi. Ose no bi some question. Me mpo so.
Wo fa.
Me wo fa. Na asem.
Bene minimum busa phone na ho. Me no watena ache o. Unim sem ni mabusa phone na. We de minim da.
Unim no. Unu e de unim no.
O ya sure say de o kan en kwe.
No kwe na make otu kwan oba enche. Me sira why. To de
De be fan sa.
Ko why? Ko fu de ko
Bene na enso kro wa ma mi o.
Enso na bi ni ho. Ebi won kasa me ma obi. Wo de ko me ba be hwe wan sira wan pa hwe.
O ya sure say me nko.
Wo de ko wa me se ba be hwe ba hwe. Why?
Ana also si unini ni hweye. O wo fa.
Me wo fa metimi ne me wo fa wo bibi.
Bene. Unim se wuntwa me ntro da.
Me ntwa.
Me pese magye de se we nso ye ntro bene.
Na okro ye de na hu hase.
Unu se me ko fie ba akon be bia na wote first no. Makọ no me yesi woni ho no.
Tu afiri ho no.
Bra ma bra sa na me hu ha no ho. A ma bra be ma mi su anom. Che se
enso na bi ni ho bra, e bi ni ho nka ma obi. E bi ni ho. Wo de kom me am ba be. Ma me fa me na mama why? E be di nko.
Fun kra me ni bio.
Hey.
Che se ya gye me hu nyoma ni na.
Wo de mate wo de kom ba be hwe wan slow. No fa na o akuma na kuma ha no wo de mami wo de kom ba be hwe why? Mpacho. O de air to get no mammy why? I'm trying to be a gate no toho. Eh, yeah, some day the dance, yes. Hey, now so be our corporatina. Abagana who pass I say. When I hear Manuel Adamo. Classmates.
Membusa asem. Bene. Where wine?
Mene na course to ba so to kwan kaka na waba na ohun mi ache.
E na ofem fam.
Onse ohun mi ache.
Ben enye hu na why hu ache wo. Wo your bawarefo. Bene listen to me. Me boka tie, me bon hoka. Show. Bene. Wunim de makoma sitie. Bene don't try me. Me say me hey, me say man try me. Se bene. Se de me so da yen say no clear.
Enye no clear.
Beneti.
Madam for me classmate am ni ko school.
Me no problem. But de me kan mani mam.
Ben
e bama o kan nya wo dia.
Black.
Sister.
Because
Sister.
Because they say, you know, I don't know who to choose. Say, me choose pussy, and I say, me choose black. So, the Kobe was behind. We should let peace prevail in this house. Because choker, no answer, and I'm not in. I'm tired. Let things be nonchalant in this house. Please. And the moment you mean that here, the person will be speaking mind.
I don't understand. I don't know.
You have to understand.
Don't
just go straight to the point.
No. What don't you understand?
Oh.
Sis, just talk to me. Talk to Black. Talk to Black. I can't go and
there is
sweat.
no way person will lie. From his actions.
That means you are trying to.
I'm not siding with him.
You are. It's what
I'm
you
not.
are. It's what you are
I'm
doing.
not siding with him, please.
Sister, since well this our brother traveled, you know everything about me. You know how I'm going out and coming in.
I know you are working, but I don't actually do the kind of business you do.
Tell him.
I know.
And ask him again.
I know you work, but for the business, I don't know. I don't know whether you are a cocaine dealer, a truck pusher, a taxi driver. I don't know what kind of business you deal in.
Ask him again.
Today, I woke up in peace, so I don't want to be angry.
How can you say that to your sister?
I don't want to be angry, please.
No, wait.
All this house, everything.
Wait!
I'm talking and you say wait. What do you mean? Are you stupid?
Me, I'm stupid.
Oh!
No, how can you tell me that? Wait, give me my money. Where's my money?
No.
Give me my money. How can...
Boss, please.
Sister, if not for you.
Please.
So you have grown wings to the extent if I'm talking, you are talking.
Shut up! I can't do that to settle the issue.
Such a disrespectful person.
I just told you guys to settle the issue.
Senior sister, please. My bomb bra. My yama japa dear.
Over Ben Wabo.
Beba assassin no dear. Eh ma me papa assassin. E na o complete so. Na se na yenda da. Yes, let me remind you. Quick reminder.
Well, I know what I can do, you know. I'm a man enough, I have grown enough to do or choose whatever I want to do. So, as my brother is talking and you are believing him for this kind of rubbish and nonsense that you have been vomiting here. I don't care.
I want him.
But what I'm only care is this. To put this thing amicably or settle it well. Okay, let him show the evidence.
Can you imagine?
Yes.
Can you imagine?
I think that would be better for this. It's because I can't condone this kind of rubbish anymore. I've been silent, trying to, you know, do this kind of brother thing, but I see it's not happening. So let him show the evidence.
Sister, if this thing is not well resolved, you might hear or see what you don't want to hear or see.
You are in fact, you are a stupid guy. You are a stupid guy.
Go ahead.
You are a stupid guy.
Be very careful.
What would you do?
Black.
This guy is trying me.
Sis.
This guy is trying me.
Sis.
Who you Jimmy for what? Who you Jimmy for?
Me a Jimmy for. No, sis. Discipline no.
What are you trying to do?
Sis, make her discipline this boy like How can you tell me this? You had nothing. What do you have? What isn't all my money used to buy this?
You're a fucking guy. Go ahead and do whatever
sis,
you wanna do.
Sis,
sis. No.
Black.
Black.
Oh, you Jimmy for.
Yeah, who you know?
My body
I truth in this issue.
What bother man? What bother?
Never heard.
I don't come where
I don't want to see you. I just asked what I want to know. You're dying, maybe. As I'm no matter. Because this is not a sense, men and it I'm out.
Maybe I am no
What then I am correct.
Or say you need the no crack. On fire, simple.
Sister, when we said to say, what's the buy my family?
Say, some say, what you see.
What you see?
Go ahead and do everything you want to do.
Yes.
Period.
Go ahead and do it.
I go do one.
In this country, you can't be sad in peace. Ora ho kra no be the concert ba be to am wase. Some people my idea. I think. Try picture, I don't like it. I don't like him commenting. So who try the episode be like it? Fuckings. Yeah, hello. Yeah, good afternoon. Yes, please, this is Anita. Speaking from... What? Please, what's wrong? Listen, I'm on my way. Hey! Behavior is that? Again! Since when I put your such behavior? Again! Do you want to kill me? Do you want to end my life? What is that? Who told you that? If impossible, yeah, at least you have to sit down and talk. You've gone too far. You have really gone too far. What is it? Why? Again, when you're it's a summoner walk coming. Said to criminal can be also out of my whole life.
But you are here supporting him. You are here supporting him. So why are you shouting on me? You are our senior sister. That's why I'm respecting you. If not,
I won't sit down and watch this ill-mannered behavior of yours.
If you
go back to the police station and withdraw the case. Otherwise, you see the dark side of me.
I say I won't do that.
I'll be a very quiet person here.
I will never.
I'm like a vampire, but I don't suck blood.
Also with me.
Madre mia!
Let him dead there. Okay, down. A bit 3 or 4 months.
Oh, what? Oh, so be a big case as I turn it down.
We can see. Yeah.
I control the streets. Me catch on my 20.
We're not doing say what Jimmy. Answer. By the time.
Hey, yeah, just a down. I'm not on Nigeria. Yeah, every yes said look on Nigeria. You knew. It's on Nigeria and a phone
I make money. And now I'm spending it. I'm spending my money, taking my money for investment. And right now he's now rising, doing like this. I don't want to talk too much.
You think you're a grown up, right? So you go home. You want to do whatever you want to do, right?
You go stay there for 1 year.
Don't forget I'm the main boss. Don't forget I'm the main boss in this house. And when I strike, you know the outcome, right?
So you make it mad.
Black. We are all siblings. We are 4 months. And now, Mama and Papa, see dynamite. And now we seek at a crab frame. And in yet if you are. Into dear ooye. Maybe some question say at a chin. Now, so what's a pussy a woo? How will you feel? Just answer this simple question for me. What will be your reaction? Will you be able to eat? Will you be able to breathe? Will you be able to sleep?
Why won't I sleep? Why won't I eat?
For sending your brother to his early grave.
Because you are here. When the guy is threatening me. Pussy is threatening me. And I'm not a small boy.
You are going home. Remember I came before you guys came. I'm your elderly sister. If something is going wayward, I need to correct things. Although I don't complain about your behavior, I don't talk about your behavior. But at times, you need to be strengthened. Fine. He's accusing you. But remember, he's your brother. He's your blood. Let's settle this matter here. Just go and withdraw the case and let's settle this matter.
I can never do that.
Why?
I won't.
Is it so hard for you to do that?
I won't do that.
Why? Is there any reason for that?
If to withdraw the case you are here, I'm not ready. I mean, I'm not ready.
Black, be careful because the earth is fiery.
I'm not gonna do that.
And those we meet at the beginning point, remember, we definitely meet them at the ending points. It's like a golden rule. Do unto others as you want others to do unto you. You may be happy today, but I don't know tomorrow.
I know. Okay. If that be the case, you are my senior sister.